Governments around the world are investing heavily in basic science. They hope to acquire new knowledge through their research. We take a look at 3 leading countries in basic science to identify some core factors that spurred their investments, achievements. Soo-young has the details.
To make something grow, you need the right environment. For Britain, Japan and the United States, 3 leading countries in basic science, strong institutions and universities provided the funding and the infrastructure to produce groundbreaking research.
Both countries have been, first of all, open to international talent. They're very open societies that try to attract the best from the world, no matter where they're from. A second aspect in the UK is the diversity of funding. So we have many different kinds of research enterprises. We have government labs, we have research institutes, we have university departments.
Another core element is giving scientists more control over their fields of research, rather than governments taking a top-down approach. The Haldane principle in the UK allows scientists themselves to specify research policies and the direction of government funding through separate councils and institutions.
We also have another stream which comes direct from the government, which is given out to universities quite broadly. It's kind of core funding, which underlies the research infrastructure and gives universities and their researchers a bit more flexibility. So you can then carry out research which is maybe not something for a specific grant, but is more blue skies research, is some personal idea that you have that you want to research.
Another important factor is long-termism. In all 3 countries, those eureka moments took decades of research and investment. The US and Japan have been investing at least 2% of their GDP in research and development since the 1970s, decades ahead of emerging economies like Korea, which surpassed the 2% mark in the 1990s. Professor Adam Rees won the Nobel Prize in Physics 5 years ago when he discovered that the expansion of the universe was accelerating. He says research should be driven by the thirst for knowledge, not for short-term commercial ends.
I think asking or putting the requirement on our curiosity of producing something, let's say money-making, really limits our investigations in ways that probably don't allow us to reach as deep.
Groundbreaking discoveries and innovations require going back to basics. For Adam Rees and many eminent scientists throughout history, that begins with nurturing the simple instinct of curiosity. Soo-young, Arirang News.